How to uninstall Easy Home Screen app. Now in this video, I'm going to show you two specific ways on how you can properly uninstall Easy Home Screen app on your phone. So the first method of doing this is via your phone settings. And then from settings, you can scroll down until you can go into phone apps, which is going to be here. Now choose default apps. And from here, choose on the current theme that you're using. On my case, I'm using the Home app. Now, if you're going to be uninstalling Easy Home Screen app, you must make sure that it is not set into default of your mobile device, because if it is set as default, you will not to be able to easily uninstall it. So just simply choose on the default um, theme that you're currently or the launcher that you have on your mobile phone. And once you've done that, you can go into your Google Play Store and simply type in Easy Home Screen. And this is where you can basically uninstall the application, and that's it. That is how you can uninstall Easy Home Screen app.